sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna post why my videos weren't getting uploaded. I don't know what YouTube got going today. I don't know if they on some hating shit or what they got going, but I'm gonna figure out what videos I can post, and we gonna get the reaction channel rolling. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, keep it going. Oh yeah, and make sure y'all go on my Instagram because I'm gonna be dropping the Young Boy video I did. I'm gonna still drop that bitch. I'm gonna drop that bitch on my Instagram. Plus, I'm trying to get my followers up over there anyway, so y'all gonna be doing me a favor. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna enjoy my little ugly ass Wednesday off. Hey man, look, whatever y'all do not get a 9 to 5. You feel me? Just stick to y'all dreams and just keep going, bro. God got you, and He gonna make sure everything work. And if y'all my family, y'all gonna stick with me. All right. And I might change the name to AJ Next Up, and I'm put FM for family, cause y'all my family. You feel me? We gotta make our YouTube name different. All right. All right. We out here.